So iMatch and Match yaqhubeka nomsebenzi wayo ethe izowenza every single Thursday kanti nokubulalwa kwabantu who are in political positions ahead of lolu khetho oluzayo lomasipala, it seems to be continuing.
Politics, justice, umnotho, emphakathini. The stories that matter, wrapped up for you every week. This is the Gagasi FM News Wrap, hosted by Spumelele Zondi.
Hey Dawn, igama uSiphumelele Zondi nondaba ofika nezindaba every single week right here kwi-Gagasi FM News Wrap. Sike sabona abokufika being confronted by the leader of Match and Match, Jacinta Ngobese Zuma kwaMashu recently, and a lot of the action is not just happening lapho kwaMashu kodwa nakho kwenzekile.
You're saying to me you came here from Ethiopia all the way to Zambia by bus. How did you pass all those other countries to come here? Because they wouldn't let you through their borders without documents. It's not like South Africa. How did you pass those countries?
It's really long time. They take a long time, but they came like that.
I'm not asking you about the time. I'm asking.
There is other action ubona ukuthi yenzeka eindaweni ehlukahlukene in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. Khona iMatch and Match yenza yona le action yayo eyayithe izoyenza every single week. Kulokhulunywe njalo ke kodwa ukuthi zikhona iziphathimandla nabomthetho nendlela ekwenzeka ngayo kwabomthetho lapha kwaMashu kuthiwa emva ukuthi kade kufike yona iMatch and Match abantu kuthiwa basale batapa looting shops the way they wanted. iMatch and Match ilokhu isho njalo ukuthi yona ayisho ukuthi abantu abatape kodwa ithi abantu abokufika abangabi khona ezweni kodwa ke uma kunjalo kuthiwa enze njani wena as a South African?
In terms of taking responsibility now, because we are fronting with China, they are using you and abusing you. They don't pay you anything. Emakhaya nina next. Singavumi kudlalwe ngani, kudlalwa ngani if kufanele kudlalwe ngalabantu abalanga phansi. And into ebhlungu ingane zakithi. And we can't allow you ukuthi sivume ukuthi kudlalwe ngani. Akukho into onayo, you saying we are part of cooperative enaziya in you are just fronting for this man who's abusing you and using you, giving you nothing. We can't allow that, especially because you are abusing these other black people who are here. South Africans who are noble citizens. Even yourselves, you are young. And you want to be abused by this man, taking you for granted. You can't be like that.
Nokuthi ke uma ngabe kubuzwa ukuthi ba-operate kanjani abantu emalokishini, abantu basezweni bekhona, yini ekumele yenziwe abantu bezwe kwizimo ezifana nalezi abazona iziphathimandla ababona abantu bomthetho. Kanti siyazi ukuthi uma ngabe efika amaphoyisa ayobopha umuntu ocekela phansi i-infrastructure ekhona kulezo ndawo, masibheka nje futhi emumva ku-2021 khona abantu ababoshwa necala lisaqhubeka einkantolo lawo u-2021 kodwa abanye bangathi sasithunyiwe sasingazi sabona bekwenza nathi senza. Kuthiwa benze njani abantu emalokishini? Mhlambe ila kufuneka khona incazelo, yini evunywe umthetho, yini engavunyiwe umthetho, ngoba ke kuthiwe singayithatheli umthetho ezandleni zethu. Bese kuba khona uguquko oselenzekile futhi kumkhonto wesizwe party. Siyazi ukuthi leli qembu selike laba nezinguquko eziningi ezihlukahlukene this year alone. Sengeneke uvice president omusha, uvice president walo leli qembu omusha uDuduzane Zuma.
Uma ake sithi for an example ngithola ukuthi kunabantu ababekwe lapha kodwa bangakwazi ukwenza lutho, ngeke ngithi ngoba wabekwake aseze ukwenza lutho, ngizomsusa ngifaka umuntu ozokwenza into lapha etangena khona. And uyabona ngikhuluma kanje ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi sikhona sonke la, khona nodadewethu nangu ophethe lapha eThekwini. Ngifuna ufika abatshele ngoba indaba iseThekwini. ukuthi asidlali nje kubantu esengake ngabasusa njengoba kuloko sayaqala abantu ababe comrade mama bamnandi kabi abasele eduze uma ibheda uyabheda okanye mangibona ukuthi uyehluleka ngathi ekuqaleni angifuni kube khona abantu abazokhethwa ngoba uhlubo ayiyeka ke uma comrade daya kwenziwe nanso inkinga isifikile le ngangiyibalekela ngangifuna ukuyenza ngedwa lento ngikhomba umuntu ngithi wena nawe ngokubazi noma singahluleka manje ngoba sizobanga siphinde futhi sihluleke njengoba sahluleka still sekhona yothi akusekho umuntu ke manje ozokhethwa mina ngizobakhetha ngoba angazi ukuthi abantu bekithi banani.
Sisabuza ukuthi iqembu elishintsha ikhundla isikhathi esiningi kangaka engabe uzinzo lukhona yini nawe mawunesikhundla ungathemba yini ukuthi isikhundla sakho siphephile. Uke washo ke umphathi weqembu nomsunguli walo uJacob Zuma ukuthi ngenxa yokuthi kuke kube khona abantu abalwayo kuliwa ngazo lezi zinto zezikhundla usekhethe ukuthi uzozibambela yena mathupha kanti akona nje ukuyibambela yena mathupha ngezikhundla kuphela nezezimali zengaphansi kwakhe namanye kama-office kade independent from the leader uJacob Zuma usezibambela wona ngokwakhe.
The president hereby also relieves Dr. John Hlophe of his responsibility as first deputy president of the Umkhonto Sizwe Party. This is done with immediate effect.
And then kuyaqhubeka ukuthi kubulawe abantu who are in political positions. eThekwini recently there was ukubulawa kwe-ward councillor ka-ward 17. Siyazi ukuthi akukhona eThekwini kuphela la kubulawe khona i-ward councillor recently seke kwenzeka nokunye kwakhulunywa all over the country really ukuthi e-Eastern Cape khona okwake kwenzeka ukuthi kubulawe i-politician eGauteng ke kwenzeka eDanune Western Cape nakhona kuke kwenzeka sekuyinto ejwayelekile leyo and siyazi ukuthi into evamise ukwenzeka njalo uma ngabe kuzoba nokhetho ikakhulukazi lona lolu khetho lama-local government elections. eSouth Africa kanti yini inkinga ukuthi uma ngabe umuntu engena esikhundleni sokuba i-political leader ungathi mhlawumbe khona abasigaqelayo lesikhundla sike sezwa ngaphambilini khona la kwiGagasi FM News Wrap sikhuluma nomunye owasichazela ngeinkabi ukuthi there's even a whole industry manje yeinkabi contract killers abenza lo msebenzi wokuthi kubulawe abantu ikakhulukazi people in political positions and uyasho ukuthi sometimes kuba ibona abantu abagaqela izikhundla bona bayathunywa ukuthi awuke uhambe uyothatha umphefumulo womuntu engabe akukho kunye ongakwenza mhlawumbe usifuna ngalendlela isikhundla sokuthi kungaze kuphume imphefumulo ngendlela ephuma ngayo imphefumulo. Right, angivalelise ngiwusiphumelele Zondi mina nawe siyoxoxa ke la sesiyiqoqa khona bukhoma nisale kahle.
Catch a brand new episode. You can watch the vodcast noma ungalalela i-podcast kwi-app yethu noma inini noma kuphi. Gagasi FM News puts KZN first.